Real comedians have above average high IQs. Comedians are witty, astute individuals. No exceptions.
Metaphysics get into this. What mind and matter does. And what is extrasensory perception? Extrasensory perception basically means that all your sensories, your auditory, optical, olfactory, tactile, and gustatory, all that means is you see, smell, taste, touch, and you hear, it's augmented and modified. And it allows... Duality is not the same. Duality is rigid distinctions between, so black and a chicken may be duality, right? But they're not polarity. 20,000 hertz. It means that our perception of frequencies are very limited. We have a very limited range of how we hear sound. The frequencies are limited. So we explore the philosophical aspect of mental disorder. We discuss the psychological aspect. We talk about the physics. Let's talk about the musical aspect of mental disorder, the theoretical aspect of
the diatonic scales. It is based on a number system. So the first
was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity.